Applause for Warina Hussain. Are? Better. 2 hours of butterflies. Warina, how are you feeling now? They've seen it, they've loved it. Everyone said fantastic. How are you feeling right now?
Okay. Hi guys, what's up? कैसा लगा गाना? Thank you so much. Thank you.
Is that it? The butterflies have gone once the moment they said "woo"? When you were performing, when you were doing it, I want to hear some bits about that. Difficult, not difficult, scared to do it, iconic film, Salman Khan, Dabangg 3. Did I make you a little bit more scared or no?
You're making me very scared.
Okay, fine. Perfect. So we'll come to Arba. Sir, big number. Everyone's really happy. I think, as Salman sir said, the true voices are at the back. They always come out. How happy are you now that it's just pretty much out there? Everyone's seen almost every bit of it except the film, but everything else is pretty much out there.
Yeah, extremely happy. And this was a challenge, this song, because it's already an iconic song. And to do a kind of a rewind of this song and to make it as good, a full contribution to Salman, because it was completely his idea. And he thought that this is something that's really going to work. And we can see the reaction.
And I love the styling, the jackets and the jazz in it.
Fab.
We haven't seen so much bling
and
ever.
Prabhu sir's little cameo in that is so good. Good fun.
Bling really works. And you guys have had great associations with all your songs and all your films. It's almost like a brand factory can be set up with it. But it works really well with it. You've got some good partners that are coming on board also for this.
Yeah. So firstly, Sajid Wajid, this is the third time they're on board with us. And each time they've given music, they've done outstanding music. Thank you very much. It's a great pleasure to work with you. You guys are wonderful. And so, इस बार मुन्नी नहीं मुन्ना बदनाम हुआ है. And we are really happy to associate and have great partners in Setwet.
Yeah.
And Setwet has thrown a fun challenge for all the munnas out there.
Yeah.
In Dabangg style, they have to do put up a video online. Hashtag get Dabangg with Setwet.
Be Dabangg with Setwet and style like Chulbul. I'll tell you the hashtag again. Hashtag style like Chulbul. I'm assuming everyone knows the spellings. Yeah, perfect. Be Dabangg with a double G with Setwet. These are the two hashtags.
And then what do we do? Kick off the evening with the
well, let's have a little challenge.
Millennium Munni?
No, wait. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
So basically, we're going to teach you a track, little bit of dancing.
Sure.
Okay, and you have to do that. But I'm going to call 2 TikTok stars. How many people on TikTok over here? I like it. Actually, Salman sir doesn't know that he's on TikTok because he's there on every video. It's just that he's not on it. Everyone makes his videos and puts them out. One day, sir, we'll show you a bit of all the videos out there. But Faisal and Lucky, I want to call you on stage. Guys, big round of applause for 2 very, 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 very popular TikTok stars, Faisal and Lucky. Big round of applause, guys. Come on. No, that's not cool. Much better. Thank you, boys. हमें join करने के लिए. अभी वरीना वैसी थोड़ी सी डरी हुई हैं, ऐसा लग रहा है उनको. लेकिन we have to make her dance. So we're gonna do a little bit. This is a tutorial day today. पहले प्रभु सर ने सिखाया, अब आप सिखाओगे. So फैजल बताओ, लकी आप सिखाओगे या फैजल सिखाएंगे? क्या होगा? हो जाए, ठीक है. अरबाज सर, you can join it if you want. No. So stay there, stay right there one sec. Yeah. Yeah, पहले tutorial चल रहा है. Then we'll give the music. So while they're learning, remember the hashtags, huh? Style like Chulbul and hashtag be Dabangg with a double G with Setwet. Warina, ready? एक shot में सीख गई, perfect. Okay, ready? Let's have the music, guys. All right, that works. Thank you so much, Faisal. Thank you so much, Lucky. Thank you so much. Well done, Warina. Well done. One shot take, one take. Well done. I like it. We'll ask you later how many takes you took. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Yeah, take care. Thank you. Okay, guys. Now, do stay on stage. I want to call the entire cast up. Were you happy with that?
Super happy. Yeah.
All right. We'll have a little more chats. Salman sir, can you come on stage and join us? Prabhu sir, आप भी आ जाओ stage पर. Sai, where are you, Sai? Can you please join us on stage? I want the entire cast. Sai, please come on stage. Nikhil Dwivedi, the producer. Can we have you on stage, Nikhil, with a lovely red jacket? There you are. Sajid bhai, Wajid bhai, जिन्होंने रंग भर दिए पूरी रात में, पूरी शाम में. तालियों के साथ उनका भी स्वागत किया जाए स्टेज पर. And a man who without this music is never possible, Mr. Bhushan Kumar. Can I have you on stage, sir, as well, sir? I represent them. दो लोग जो मिसिंग हैं बैंगलोर में he sends his wishes via WhatsApp is she actually Sonakshi is in Bangalore and in Colombo is Badshah, which is why we had Sajid Bhai singing his parts. So there we are, ladies and gentlemen. Can I have the mics on stage, please, for everybody, please? And can we have the chairs on stage? Harsh, can we have the chairs on stage, please? Can we have the chairs on stage, please? Till then, let me chat with you all. All right, thanks. There we go. Yeah. All right. Sai, you're looking beautiful. You're looking lovely.
Thank you.
The only one who we haven't called on stage yet. You were watching from the sidelines. Every single day probably is as exciting or maybe more than the previous day. How are you feeling? Finally, December month is upon us by tomorrow. Has it now hit you at all that this is the month when everyone gets to see?
Yeah, it's hit me and I'm super excited. It's a really surreal, unearthly feeling that it's actually happening so soon. Because I remember it like it was yesterday that I was waiting for shoot to start. And now that the movie is releasing, it's a very exciting feeling.
One sec. Guys, please, y'all are going to like come in other people's Facebook lives. Na? If y'all are interrupting what she's saying, please. Thanks. Okay, wonderful. I love what you're wearing.
Thank you.
I want to give like compliments to your designer. Who's your designer? Wonderful.
Ashley so has styled me and
beautiful.
I'm wearing Seema Khan.
I love it. I love it. Okay, Nikhil, we keep seeing you with this very stoic expression. You don't have either the jumping expressions or the disappointed expressions. Do you ever smile? Are you happy today is a song launch? Are you okay? Yeah, Mike Lo.
I'll be smiling plenty on 20th of December, don't worry.
20th, huh? I like it. Arvaz sir, this comes to light every year or so. We keep waiting for like a big the bang, and I think it's awesome. Are you happy with everything that's happened?
Every year.
Yeah, let's wait every year for maybe. Okay, every 2 years हो जाए. इसमें थोड़ा सा लंबा gap आ गया.
This time was a long gap. Second happened very quick in 2 years. So
Please,
we were
have
really
a seat.
anxious to get this. And fortunately, I mean to say, this time we got something exciting and Prabhu sir came on board and
It started, the domino effect started from there. Yeah.
so it's great.
Please have a
fun.
seat.
Next time jaldi banayenge.
Salman sir, this is 20 days away, but I feel like we've been talking about Dabangg 3 for quite a while. This is awesome. This is as big as can be. Would you say like this is one of the biggest films overall that you've done?
We stopped talking about Dabangg 3 much before we started making. We started talking about Dabangg 4.
Already? Is that an official announcement? No, we won't get into that at all.
Right now we just announced Radhe. After Radhe there's something else and then...
Sai's been there quite a bit, and the whole media's been talking about her also. Everyone wants to see that. This whole bit of trying to, also make sure that your artists are out there, and they get the great, media vibe also that comes across. This is difficult. Have you been giving lots of words of wisdom on a daily basis to her, saying, this is how we got to do it, this is how we not got to do it? Is that happening at all, Sai? Can you answer that? Salman sir giving words of wisdom or no?
A little bit here.